You think this is just a normal tractor. Wrong. What you're looking at costs as much as a luxury mansion. Let me show you how the Germans turn heavy steel into an absolute beast that dominates the agricultural world. Just one of these tires is so heavy it makes the industrial crane groan. And the craziest part, it doesn't just plow fields. Watch how it crushes expectations, moving earth like a dedicated front-end loader. Deep inside this mega factory, spanning the size of 57 football fields, the heart of the beast is forged. This isn't cheap engineering. This combined engine and gearbox weighs a massive 4 tons. That's 3 compact cars glued together. With a starting price of over 300,000 euros, is it really worth it? Watch this billion-dollar assembly line perfectly framed in a 16:9 cinematic ratio. Every single detail is refined. There is zero room for a millimeter of error. Thousands of meters of wiring, a massive turbo auger, and countless bolts are tightened with absolute precision by elite engineers. Like a giant mechanical mask, the DPF diesel filter is mounted straight to the exhaust. Terrifying power, yet the emissions remain incredibly clean. Now, it's time to install the brain. Don't you know how much this cabin weighs? Who wants to stand here and assemble this cabin, paired with blazing LED headlights, ready to tear through the darkest nights. Iron Discipline builds iron machines. Here is the plot twist. Even though this agricultural titan is born to plow through mud, its electrical system is completely sealed and designed to survive for 50 years. Plug in the battery, pump in the diesel, flip the switch, and boom, the LEDs awaken. Doesn't it look like a terrestrial spaceship? Stepping through the red curtains begins the ultimate trial. The front axle system automatically adjusts, born to devour any terrain from swamps to rocky paths. Meanwhile, the diagnostic software flashes green. Everything must be 100% flawless. And here are the shoes of the giant. Mounting these colossal dual Michelin tires is beyond human strength. A specialized robotic crane is the only way. How do you tighten 12 megabolts at once? With a multi-$1,000 hydraulic torque wrench designed to do exactly one thing. Lock the wheel with absolute safety. Remove the machine, and the beast is almost ready to roar. Touchdown. The massive machine slowly lowers, its giant tires biting into the factory floor. But you thought it was over. Not yet. The giant is chained down with steel cables like a wild beast. The engine screams to life, hitting max RPMs for a stationary extreme speed test. The lights sweep across the room. Sudden brake. The multi-ton machine halts instantly, yet the structure remains eerily silent and completely stable. Experts climb straight into the cabin, inspecting every square millimeter, rigorously cross-checking the quality list. Look underneath. This solid steel chassis can easily withstand the most brutal impacts in real combat. Finally, the beast is unleashed. It shreds the fields with terrifying power, harvesting as smoothly as a money-printing machine. Golden corn pours out while every metric performs perfectly on the central display. But wait, here's the final twist. This giant is a master of disguise. One moment, it's gleaming under the spotlights at a motor show. The next, it's equipped with a front bucket, plowing through massive construction sites just like a specialized excavator, scooping tons of gravel, lifting the crane as if it were a feather. When you drive this, you aren't just an operator. You are a commander. After dumping the heavy load, it reverses down a slippery slope, yet the body remains perfectly balanced. The massive treads claw deep into the earth, pulling the 14-ton machine up a breathtakingly steep incline to finish the job. This is the true domination of heavy machinery.